Yes po, opo, ayan po. Opo, ang ganda ko po. Ayan. So, isa ka rin po ba sa hindi pa nakakatanggap ng PIN hanggang ngayon at nagsusuffer ka kung paano mo mabiverify ang address mo? So, no PIN, no worry. I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on how you're going to verify your address without using PIN. So, start na po tayo! Let's start. So, first what we're going to do is pumunta tayo sa account information. Then, let's go to the verify address, then payment. Okay. Let's go to verify address. Verify address, then go to payment at you see the form. Yeah. Then after po, after natin i-click ang form, you will see sa bottom part, merong if you don't receive your PIN within 4 weeks or this date, please complete this form. So, i-click natin yung form. If you, and then, pag na-click na yung form, pag na-click nyo na yung form, lalabas na po itong yung form yan. Your personal identification PIN. Lalabas na po yun. Tapos, i-fill out nyo po yun with your full name, with your full name, then let's go back to Google AdSense, then account information, tapos po i-copy-paste po natin ang yung ano natin, publisher ID, copy-paste sa publisher ID, then paste it in your identification, your AdSense publisher ID. Then next natin is you're going to choose your ID. It's either passport, like a driver's license, or any mailing address na nakapangalan dapat sa'yo. Yeah, nakapangalan sa'yo. Then if na-click mo na yung ginamit mong identification information, you're going to use it as the actual size. So kasi sa akin nag-failed siya, so hindi siya tinatanggap. Actual size. So, hindi pala siya gumagana. So, ang ginawa ko, hindi siya gumagana. So, ang ginawa ko, I'll take a photo. Pinicturean ko na lang siya. Kasi nag-failed na siya. It's already failed. So, nag-ano ako. I'll take a photo again. Then, I posted it. I think about tas pinost ko yung binigay ko yung passport ko, then take a photo, tapos po ayan, pag nasend po na yun, pag nasend mo na po yung yung identification ID mo, yan, lalabas na po yung lalabas na po ang ayan. The form has been submitted to AdSense support. Ayan. After nyan, after 3 to 4 weeks, after 3 days or 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours siya, ayan, makaka-receive ka na. Then, after that, mag-verify na po ang address mo. So, yun lang po, very easy lang po yung kung paano po i-apply ang identification kung hindi ka pa nakakatanggap ng PIN within 4 months. So yun na po. Maraming salamat po. At sana po nagkaroon po kayo ng idea and information regarding po sa how to apply your
how to verify your address without your PIN. Kasi na-experience ko siya. So, ayun na. Atog na po yung channel ko. Nakakasawa na po ako ngayong buwan. Thank you po!